Hey everybody, welcome to my video. I'm really excited to share my idea for wrapping a book as a gift because I think it's really surprised the recipient, especially if they are a book lover. I'm going to wrap a book in to.wrap with a beautifully heart-shaped bookmark, and the best part, it's super easy and super fun. Let's dive in. For this tutorial, you need two colors of wrapping paper, scissors, and tape. And for a neat finish, I highly recommend using double-sided tape. It's a total game changer. For this gift wrapping, selecting the right wrapping paper is essential. Here is a pro tip. If your wrapping paper is patterned, it's best to keep the bookmark simple. Conversely, if you are using simple wrapping paper, feel free to go bold with a design on a bookmark. Selecting two papers with harmony in mind is really important for achieving a stunning final result. For this tutorial, I've selected brown paper paired with red dotted wrapping paper to maintain warm and festive vibe. Previously, I've also used pattern wrapping paper with a simple color paper that worked beautifully as well, I think. In my opinion, one of the most important steps for achieving a professional result is correct measuring. To measure, place the book in the center of the wrapping paper and ensure that it covers the entire book. And don't forget to add an extra centimeter for the tape. For top and bottom, the wrapping paper should extend it by about half a centimeter to 1 centimeter more than half of the book's height, depending on the thickness of the book. Additionally, add 5 to 10 centimeters extra paper for this gift wrapping, and cut the wrapping paper according to these measurements. Now you need to fold the paper to account for the extra paper, and this will create a pleat in the wrapping paper. Here is the result. The next steps are straightforward. Just watch the video carefully and follow along with each step. Okay, now the book is wrapped and it's time to make the bookmark. The size will depend on your book, but for this tutorial I'm using paper that is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. This is an origami bookmark. When making origami, precise folding of the paper and accuracy of the folding lines are very important for achieving clean and beautiful result. And there you have it, a beautifully wrapped book with a handmade heart-shaped bookmark ready to impress. Whether you're giving it to a friend, a loved one, or even yourself, this thoughtful wrapping idea is guaranteed to make your gift stand out. I'd like to hear your thoughts, so share your comments in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative gift wrapping ideas and projects. Until next time, happy wrapping and your gifts always be as beautiful as your intentions. Bye for now.